Right, Susie, who's making the brew?
Where's your leaf with it?
So, who's making the brew? I'm on the 360 GoPro. It's not a 360 video because I'll just face me, but looking at the screen, all I can see is outside. It's funny. Anyway, so obviously you know what's gone on in February and you know, last week. So I did say to you, oh, by the way, I'm Smithy and this is a Contiki. Let's keep the old stuff going. So what's happening is, I've always said to you, onwards and upwards. I've always said that. Always think positive in life. Life, you know, and don't surround yourself with negative people. Always think positive. So that's what we're doing. So I'm obviously a fairly young bloke. I know I keep banging on about how old I am, but I'm, you know, I don't feel old. So I need to work is what I need to do. I stopped work to look after somebody that, you know, that's that. So now I need to work. I need, you know, can't leave Sue paying the bills forever. So I'm actually, I've just bought a flask, to be fair. I'm actually on the job I want, you've got to have a certain diploma, which it's a 3-week course, so I'm actually in a classroom for 3 weeks. I'll tell you what, the heat yesterday, my feet swelled up, so I put a different pair of shoes on today. So we bought a new flask. 25 quid on Argos. But anyway, it's just a good flask, I believe. I read the reviews. So it keeps hot for 24 hours, keeps cold for 24 hours. So I'm going to boil some water, wash it all out, and we've got a flask for during the day and dinner. These have instructions inside, don't they? Yeah, it has. How am I supposed to get that out? Oh, I see. Right, we don't need that. So it's a metal one, so hopefully if I drop it or bang it or whatever, it's going to be alright. So anyway, so we've got ourselves a flask. So we're on a course for 3 weeks. If I get the job I want, that'll be absolutely ideal. You know, it's a job I've wanted for quite a while. So, but to get it, you've got to do this course. So I have to do the course, and then if I pass, it's 3 different qualifications I need, and I'll let you know. I'll let you know when we've done it. I'm not going to tempt fate. If I don't do it, I don't do it. I'll try something else. But this is what I want at the minute, and if I get it, I'll be happy. And so I'm still going to make videos. They'll just be at weekend because Monday to Fridays for the next 3 weeks. I'm in a classroom, so that's what we're doing. We've actually bought some low-fat sandwich for dinner. We've got some Tropicana multivitamin boost, vitamin C for, you know, a bit of a drink while I'm in the classroom. We've got the glasses every day because we need them, and that's it. So we're going to go in a bit. BBC News, Health Secretary Matt Hancock, he's on TV. So we're going to do that, and I'll let you know how I get on. So things are looking up. We're sorting stuff out because nobody else can sort it out for you. You've got to sort it yourself, and that's what I've always said. It's onwards and upwards always. Tell you what, I've just been to Argos to pick this flask up, and the van stinks, and it stunk yesterday. And I thought, so I cleaned the toilet, and it's nothing in the toilet. It's clean anyway. I put a bit of disinfectant in there. It still stinks, the van. I should be able to just pan you around without moving. I actually put my kayak in. I can drive today. That's why I've been to Argos. I'm not on any medication anymore after all that hospital business. I've put my kayak there. It's actually got water in, and it's stale. What's happened is, last year, I was canoeing in the canal, and as I got the boat out of the water, it tore. So I've actually fixed that problem, but I didn't realise there was water in it. I've just stepped on it to get into the back, and I've heard it slosh. So I'm going to have to take it in the back, undo both of the things and empty it out. I didn't realise. I wonder why it was heavy. Anyway, so that's what's stinking me van out at the minute, my kayak. I thought I'll put it in the van, and if we go anywhere and there's water, I'm off. You know, I'm just going to get on it. I've missed all that. So winter's a miserable time, isn't it? So anyway, I just wanted to let you know what we're doing. I can now drive, although Monday to Friday, I'm in a classroom for 3 weeks. I went yesterday. Quite good. We introduced ourselves to everybody. I'm the grey haired old guy in there, but such is life. So hopefully we're going to sort stuff out, and I'll take you along the journey with me that we're going through. And I don't want to tell you what it is until I've done what I'm doing. And for me, it's the ideal type of a, and I'll tell you something, for a lot of you, it's going to be the ideal type of a job. You've just got to faff about for a few weeks, well, 3 weeks, to get sorted out as to what you need to be able to do the job I want to do. I'm sorry for leaving you in suspense. If I don't do it, I'll still tell you what it was. But anyway, so that's what I'm doing. So anyway, I don't know if I can bring you back later on. I might have dinner on Canal and just have a little chat with you, because I took a picture yesterday at Lancaster Canal. I'm actually training across from there. So I'll have dinner. It's not fair to put other people that I'm studying with to, on camera unless they want to. I'll try and ask and try and get them to say hello. You never know. Anyway, I'll see you shortly, and I'll come back later on whether I'm in the van or I'm having dinner there or whatever. Having a break, I thought I'd have a brew. Oh, that's better. Where better for your dinner? Side at Canal. Nice sandwich. I came at morning, took pictures of the canal boats, and at dinner when I came back, they'd gone. Anyway, I'll have a chat with you at van after. I'll enjoy my dinner. Somebody messaged me on my picture. I must be near Lancaster Hospital. Both sides of the canal I've got a towpath. It is, that's the hospital's over there. I'm actually training over here. Beautiful day to be out. Bit of dinner, nice coffee. Anyway, I'll bring you back in van after, and we'll have a chat about the day. Right, Susie, who's making the brew?
What's your leaflet?
So, who's making the brew?
I've got a leaflet in it.
You?
I'm making the brew.
I've got a leaflet in it.
Yeah.
So, you're having pizza, yeah?
Yeah.
So, I'll cook you pizza. What am I having?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Can I have pizza? Low fat diet, pizza.
Oh, we got your ham. Sorry, we got your ham here.
That's chicken roll.
Well, chicken
yeah,
roll.
you are allowed pizza, because if you're allowed spicy curry on beef.
That was low fat. That was no fat beef.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, you uploaded it.
I seen it was low fat
spice.
beef actually.
Well, I'll just enjoy you eating it then.
Don't you stick up for your dad. You wouldn't have any of it though, would you, when you smell it?
What, am I cooking both?
When I looked at it,
Am I cooking both pizzas?
it looked
Yeah.
like cowpea. Do you know green cowpea?
Yeah, but you're cooking the. What you doing?
I've got the camera on.
You don't need to cook two pizzas.
Yeah, we do.
Why are you starving or something?
We got two good loaded ones.
What are you saying?
I thought you was putting.
You thought I was putting the cardboard in the cooker?
Yeah,
No,
Vicky did. So don't.
I was like
suck
looking
at
like,
me.
what are you doing?
I'm using it to slide the pizza in. I've
Oh,
told you.
by the way, Shanice will be napped off,
Why?
because she says every time we go out in van, she always.
Well, she could have been
misses.
here.
And when I told her we had a good salad, she went, "Oh, I was going to come down."
Right,
as well
right,
as
I'm
we
going
did
to educate you all now. What do you think you do with that now? Bin it?
Recycle.
Recycle it.
Recycle it? No. You wait while your pizza's cooked, and then you get it and you slide your pizza onto it. Then you put it on your side.
Oh, you're just saving any cleaning. You're right, old man, getting you,
No, but
you know.
it's the right size for the pizza, isn't it? It's already
Ask
there.
him what plates we're using.
What plates are we using, Dad? Pizza boxes?
No, we can use the plates in here if you like, because I brought them all out of the house.
All
But I
right,
lost
and
them.
what,
I
all
thought
right,
you
and
was
what
gonna
cups
get-
did you bring?
I didn't bring any cups.
Right.
I thought you was going to
I
get.
have got a cup though. I've got my bug out bag.
Hey, I thought you was going to get the paper plates out, like salad one.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
throw
well,
away.
that's what we can eat on, yeah.
Yeah.
Right,
Nice
cups.
washing.
I've got a cookout bag, and that's in my cookout bag, so I've got a cup.
Go on then, show what we're having to have. I would brew out.
You're having it in a bowl. Well, you didn't
A
bring
cereal bowl.
You didn't bring a cup, did you?
No, you rushed us out. It was your job, not ours.
It was Nana's fault.
No, I took the cups in to be
Have you
washed.
put the gas on?
I'm doing it.
I wish you'd stop talking and
I
start
can't see
doing
which is
stuff.
the oven. Right, it's that one. Is that properly up? Yeah. Electric's on.
Gas
Check.
switched on.
Yeah, it's on.
Don't tell me we're going to have to go back to olden days and just use a lighter.
No, we're sorted. The only thing is I can't see which is high and which is low.
We're looking for a
I'm gonna have a
grave.
cup of tea here.
Right, so I've got to put another pizza in, haven't
You're putting that on Facebook. Oh, put Shanice on your Snapchat. But oh, what a shame, Shanice, you've missed it again. We're having pizzas.
I? Oh, she'll hear you on camera, so just tell her.
Yeah, she was
What
putting
pizzas
when
have
we
you got?
went and made a
Tomato
salad.
stuffed takeaway, chicken and bacon melt. Well, the chicken's not bad.
Oh, so you're having some now?
I'm not sure. I'll decide when it's cooked.
Well, it's all right, we'll eat it.
If I get ill, you can.
It's alright, Mum's here to give you mouth to mouth. I'm here to jump on your chest. Vicky, I'm sure she'll kick you. Nana, whoa.
Vicky's
Right.
here running round. Oh my God, help.
Let's not say what Nana would do to you.
And Mother's here just to say, oh, leave him.
Do you know what I was going to do, Vicky? I was going to get me thing,
Yeah.
my bushbox stove, and get you to make me a coffee in that out there, but it's too windy, it just blow away. Next time we do it, you can make me a coffee in this. You can grind the beans, you can do it from step one, and you'll know how to make an outdoor coffee,
I don't
right?
like coffee.
It doesn't matter whether you like coffee or not.
He does.
I'll just teach you how to do it. It's the same principle for tea, isn't it? Right, so I want this in here now.
You gonna have some pizza, Nana? Are you gonna have some pizza? Look, we're cooking pizza.
Just a minute.
I'll have
Just
some
a
of the
bit.
top pizza because the bottom one will have all the crap that's
Dropped off the top one.
dropped off the top one.
Where we're going? We're already here.
We are at our destination.
I think, right, we need some more water in that because it's not enough.
Do you imagine when we all go away in here?
I'd
I'd
love
be on
it,
edge
mate.
in case I'm on film.
I used to love it when we went thingy and that and we was all in caravan and you got out and stirred Tony. I remember that.
Oh,
He shit his
no,
pants,
we're all
kept looking
there.
out, didn't he?
He kept going with his foot, didn't he? Because he was on bump bed and he kept going like that, or he was looking me, and then he'd go like that.
Anyway, we're in our favourite spot, look. I don't know whether somebody's brought the lock, but I got in. The other side's blocked off. They seem to have done the tarmac and all. Well, the footing. Oh. Do you know, I love this, but I missed it. So I had dinner on the canal. Go and have a look at my river. I often fancied gold panning in this river, you know. Well, it's not a river, it's a stream, isn't it? You just have a little practice. I don't want to be falling down anywhere. Oh, there's a little bit of water. Oh. Now, if you've watched my channel for a while, you'll know that like the middle of there, right, is where I did that steak, onions and peppers and garlic on my bushbox stove. You couldn't really, I suppose you could dig a bit of that up, but you'd have to put it back, so it'd make it a mess, wouldn't it? We need a bigger river, don't we? But it's good to be here. Good to see a river, stream. Oh, this is what it's all about, isn't it? You just got to work to pay for it, so hopefully things will pay off. Told you, onwards and upwards. Right, so we're obviously going to have pizza, bruising bowls because I forgot the cups. Although I have a cup, got my little army cup, and what can I say? Wow, driving, can drive, no pills. Anyway, stay safe, be lucky, and you can make your own luck in life sometimes. It's the decisions that you make. And I'll definitely see you again. And we're not going to be long till we see you again either. See you soon.